Welcome to Belkin Cybersecurity Central. Today, we're going to show you how utility companies can protect their networks from malicious cyber attacks. These threats are capable of crippling energy facilities, causing grid failures and water, heat, gas, and electricity outages for countless customers. According to IBM's X-Force Threat Intelligence Index, the energy sector accounts for 20% of cyber attacks. In many ways, utility company command centers closely resemble Department of Defense military base locations. They're populated by operators and analysts monitoring processes, and when they're unprepared, they become top terrorist targets. Government Technology reports that Texas was among the most targeted locations for cyber attacks in 2023, and utility company regulators routinely detect hackers surveying their networks for vulnerabilities. Worst-case scenarios include hackers breaching the state's power grid system and shutting down Texans' electricity during heat waves or cold snaps.
We're a Texas-based electricity company that operates 24/7, delivering energy to over 300,000 customers. Our facility had network security and efficiency needs at operator workstations. The solution also had to support persistent video so our operators could maintain total, uninterrupted situational awareness. To address our needs, Belkin implemented their secure KM switches. The switches are NIAP certified and deployed at the highest security levels of U.S. military and intelligence community sites. Utility network security managers adopted KM switches because they understood that separate data devices were completely isolated with no worry of crosstalk, even though the one mouse and keyboard were shared through the KM switch. By using a Belkin secure KM switch at each of our operators' workstations, multiple mice and keyboards were eliminated along with their clutter and confusion. The added bonus is improved productivity because the operator doesn't have to reposition his or her seat or hands and fingers from the single keyboard to continue working. Workstation navigation between network sources was seamless, and switchovers between shifts went off without a hitch. On-site video transmission was continuous, making monitoring for potential issues easier.
Without the benefit of a Belkin KM switch, utility companies are at a deficit for security and efficiency. The Belkin solution keeps operators connected, protected, and productive, so their energy customers stay up and running and safe.